go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right here, you're looking at one of our sandwich prep tables. Okay, now this unit is a 47-inch sandwich prep table. Brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot, as you can see right here. Now, before we get started on more, I'm going to go ahead and measure this unit for you, give you the exterior measurements. I'll also measure the inside for you. So starting with the length, as we mentioned, you're looking at 47 inches of the length. Front to back depth, you're looking at 29.5 inches. And the overall height of this sandwich prep table, you're looking at a total of 42 inches. Okay, now the unit does have wheels on the bottom already installed with stoppers. So it makes it easier for you to move it around if you need to move it inside your business. Okay, so measurement for those wheels, you're looking at 5-inch height for the wheels. Okay, now also you will be provided with this cutting board for the unit. Measurements on the cutting board, you're looking at a total of 10 inches measurement for that cutting board. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the lid, show you the inside. On the inside, we will locate our pans. Okay, they are 1/6 pans. You will be provided with these pans for the sandwich prep table. You have a total of 12 pans for this unit. Now let's go ahead and show you the inside. Also, you have automatic closing doors for this unit. On the inside, we can locate our shelves. You have a total of 2 shelves, one on each side. You also have a thermometer on the inside, and you have a sticker on the inside with all the specs regarding this unit, and as well as certification. Okay, so this unit is going to be certified, approved by the health department. Inside measurements: front to back, 17 inches. The length on the inside, you're looking at total of 43 inches. And the height, you're looking at a total of about 23.5 inches, okay? So those are your inside measurements for this sandwich prep table. Lastly, I want to go ahead and show you the back of this unit. And on the back, we can locate our plug. It is going to be a standard US plug. Also on the back, we have our temperature control. So that's pretty much where your temperature will display once the unit is on and running. Also, if you want to go ahead and set your temperature to a different temperature, you can go ahead and do so on that same control. Okay, so this is going to be a little demonstration for this 47-inch sandwich prep table. Now, if you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.